से ट्राई करिया यदि सेकंड टाइम भी सेया ही कहला ताले मो नंबर डेफिनेटली ब्लैक लिस्ट रे सीरियसली तू एमटी मोर से केमती कर परिबू नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल आज मु जहाँ करिया को जाउची ना आपण भाभी भी पार नथिबे आपण कोन खाली जहाँ सहित मु करिया को जाउची से भी केबे भी भाभी नथिबो थंबनेल रो तो जणा पड़ी एतबो कि आजिकार टॉपिक कोन सो लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो जोटा आजिरो मेन टॉपिक लाइमलाइट ऑफ द डे ओके सो लेट्स गो तो एठी मु गोटे नुआ नंबर नेछि जहाँ विषय कहीं भी जानी नाहंती सो आज मु सेमानकर फायदा उठेबी सेमानकर ए नंबर रो फायदा उठेबी सेमान को कॉल करिकी तो मोर फर्स्ट जी अछि मो भौणी तार नाउ छी उपासना लाडो जे कि जहाँ को कि आपण मोर बहुत सारा वीडियो रे देखि चंती जदि से वीडियो भी सब देखि नांती ना तो आपण बहुत भलो जिंस मिस कले सेटा भी मो आई बटन रे लिंक देथिबी जाई कि ताको प्रेस करिकी देखि नेबे तो एबे तो फिलहाल तार क्लास चलथिबो फिर भी कॉल करिकी ट्राई करिबा ओके हाँ एटी मो वॉइस भी चेंज करि परिबी जदि हस लागिबो तो टिके हसी देबे आ से खुशी लाइक भी कर देबे सो नंबर डायल करूची I don't know why but it's not working hela and trust me सी विषय किछि भी जानिनी
Namaskar. India has achieved 100 crore vaccinations landmark with your support and your effort.
Hello. 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 Don't know कौन हैला कौन नहीं बट मते वॉइस चेंज करिया पे गोटे कपड़ा दरकार स्टे ट्यून्ड मो सांग सांग कपड़ा नहीं के आछी
Eternity later.
आई एम बैक विथ कपड़ा चल अभी का कॉल करिबा कौन हैला के जानि सता बळे प्रॉब्लम प्लान फेल बोधे
आपण जो व्यक्ति को कॉल करूछंती से तार उत्तर देउ नाहंती
तो एबे मो बिचारा भौणीटा क्लास रे थिबो तो ताकू आमे परे उल्लू बनेबा एबे नेक्स्ट नंबर को जिबा मोर बहुत आपणार बंधु सो लेट्स गिव अ कॉल बट लगे देली फोन Hello. Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Am I talking to Deepika Jaina?
Yes.
Okay, fine, ma'am. This is a call regarding your service center.
Which service?
I'm from Hindware Service Center. Hindware. Can I have a few minutes to talk to you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine, ma'am. It's a call based on the things that you use in your daily life. For example, fridge, chimney, gas, geyser, like this. Are you interested in our service?
No, ma'am. I'm not interested.
Please, ma'am. It's depend upon my job. Please, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
We are giving some discounts on our chimney. Basically, chimney. So if you will install it within 2 to 3 days, then you will get 15 to 20% of discount on it, whose price is 27,000 and it is based on sensor.
You already have a chimney, and that is also from that Hindware.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, can I know that how it is working and all?
First it was working very nice, but now it is creating a lot of problem. like that means that oil is coming out from that, and the means not taking away that air also.
But for that you have to clean the oil tray, right ma'am?
Okay, so we can have that service. We can do that service.
Yes, you can do that. And it will, can I know that it is of guarantee or out of guarantee?
It has been 5 to 6 years. No guarantee is there.
Okay ma'am, then the service will be paid.
Okay, how much?
Based on the requirements, like we give free of charges for the motor only for 5 years, and if beyond that, then you have to pay some charge of 1000 or 2000 rupees.
Okay.
So if you are agree, then can I report a complaint regarding this?
Please wait. Let me talk to my husband first. Then I will let you know.
Oh, extremely sorry ma'am, you are married?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, MG, congratulations for that ma'am. Okay ma'am, then can I know that within how much time you will call me back?
By today evening, I'll let you know.
Okay, sure ma'am. अरे वाह, ये तो इजीली बोका बनीगला. कौन करिवा ताकू? आउथरे कॉल करिवा.
व्यक्तिଙ୍କୁ କଲ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
मत लागले फोन उठे देला बोली.
ଦେଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
से लाइला सर्विस सेंटर वाला बार बार कॉल करछि आउ कॉल उठेवानी कि से भी आ ता तरफ रु कॉल करबनी 1000% श्योर. फिर भी मो ता पछे लागि जाउछि.
ଆପଣ ଯେଉଁ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଙ୍କୁ କଲ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଏବେ ଅନ୍ୟ କଲରେ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ଦୟାକରି
आ तो आमुको अबिका कि तुम्हें वेट କରିବାକୁ पड़िबो. सीधा हस्बैंड से तो कथा होछि. उठेई दे मो माँ, नले मो प्रैंक वीडियोटा बेकार हेई जिवो. What the hell? Okay, तो ताको हमें आउ किछि समय परे फोन करिया, but before that let's dig into another number. सेटा होछि मो आंटी का नंबर, जहाँ का सहित मो बहुत ही फ्रेंडली एंड शी इज डैम सपोर्टिव. तो नंबर डायल कर देली, एबे कॉल करिया. आई होप से फोन उठे दियंतु. माने बिजी थिबे. चलो ए नंबर भी फेर एबे आउ गोटे मोर प्रिय बंधु का नंबर को कॉल जाऊ. एबे आउ गोटे सांगर नंबर डायल कर देली. देखा जो सी फ्री अछि ना से बिजी अछि. Hello sir, good afternoon. Sir, am I talking to Ronak Kumar Barik?
Yes.
Sir, we have your number registered in our Geo Fiber company. So, can I know that are you interested for the service? Sir, you don't know the benefits of it. So, I just want to explain. Can I have फोन कर देला. मु एते फालतू शिवर करके कथा होचे ना, जीएससी रे फोन काट दबो. फोन ଲାଗିଗଲା। Sir, you have disconnected my first call. That's why I have called you again.
Look, I have disconnected your call because I am not interested yet in your Geo Fiber.
Sorry, sir, your voice is not audible.
I'm totally not interested in your Geo Fiber. Okay. So
But
that's why
sir, do
I have
you know
disconnected your
what
call.
will happen?
What will
Sir,
happen?
you are using Geo number for which you can suffer a lot. Your Geo number can be disconnected or you can't use it furthermore.
Okay, if that is the issue, then today itself I will change it. Okay.
So this
I
is
will,
not in our policy. The one who is using Geo number, it's a rule right now.
what? I'm not getting your point. What?
So those who are using Geo number till the date, we are giving a very good opportunity or a offer, you can say, in our
Okay,
Geo
what type
fiber
of offer?
connection.
Okay.
So if you are interested, then can I register your number?
Okay, first tell me what type of offer you are offering.
So that package including TV connection, people are getting in 999 rupees, but for you only we will cost it for 800 rupees.
Okay, first of all, let me clear that I don't have a TV in my home, so it will be better if you arrange a TV for me. Then I will take your subscription. Is it good?
So are you bouncing it back to me?
No,
So
I'm
this
not
is
bouncing
beyond
it.
our policy. We are the executive only. We can provide the TV, and it's beyond the rules and regulation of our company also.
Then do one thing. Cut the call. I'm not interested. Okay.
So the